Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to track important customer actions like page views, add to cart events, and purchases, this setup is absolutely essential. By the end of this video, you'll have everything connected and ready to help you better understand your audience and improve your ad performance. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Now go to your settings at the bottom of the screen. Here, from the left-hand menu, look for the Sales Channels section. Here, simply go ahead and click on Shopify Store option and it will take you to the Shopify Store page. Once you're on your Shopify Store page, head over to the search bar and type in Facebook. From the results, you'll see the Facebook and Instagram app. Go ahead and click on it. Now on the app page, simply click Install and give it a moment. You may be prompted to click Install again. Just confirm it, and the app will be added to your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a Get Started button. Click on that to begin the setup process. Now, it will ask you to connect your Facebook account. Simply click on the Connect Account button and follow the steps to log in and link your account. Once your Facebook account is connected, you'll be prompted to select your business page. Go ahead and choose the correct page from the list. After selecting your business page, the next step will be to choose your data sharing option. You'll be asked to choose your data sharing level. You'll typically see options like Standard, Enhanced, or Maximum. Standard gives you basic tracking, while Enhanced and Maximum provide more detailed insights for better ad targeting and analytics. Choose the option that best fits your needs. You can always change it later. Next, move to the Select Pixel section. Here you can choose an existing Meta pixel from your account. If you don't have one yet, Shopify will give you the option to create a new pixel by connecting to your Facebook Business Manager. Just follow the prompts and it only takes a minute. Once you've selected your pixel, click Save and that's it. Shopify will automatically handle the rest, placing the pixel across your store from product pages to checkout and even the purchase confirmation page. You don't need to paste any code manually and data will start flowing into your Facebook Events Manager right away. If anything seems a bit confusing, don't worry. Settings can sometimes shift slightly with updates, but the overall process stays the same. And if you ever get stuck, Shopify's Help Center and community forums are great resources. And that's it. This is how you can connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.